to address the issue of error 33 on an LG refrigerator. It's essential to understand what this code signifies. Error 33 indicates a fault with the compressor relay. This issue can arise due to a failed or damaged compressor. When encountering this problem, the most effective solution is to seek professional assistance, as the manufacturer does not provide troubleshooting options for this specific issue. To obtain help, it's necessary to contact the customer support team by visiting the official website and navigating to the support page, where you can access chat support, by following the automated prompts and providing the required information, including the refrigerator model, the nature of the issue, and the purchase date. A professional will be dispatched to replace the compressor. If the appliance is still under warranty, the repair will be free of charge. However, if the warranty period has expired, additional costs may be incurred.